Hello foodies, welcome to my kitchen. So today's kitchen talk, a man should model what he wants in his home. They say women are mirrors, but what are you reflecting? As I stir this rich seafood boil, let's stir up a real conversation about manhood, leadership, and love in the home. Brothers, if you want peace in your home, start by being peaceful. You crave joy, model joy. If you want respect, give it first. Can't demand what you don't display. A woman is not a slave, she is a reflection. If you want a queen, treat her like royalty. Because here's the truth, women multiply what you give them. If you give love, they will give you loyalty. If you give value, they will give you stability. But if you give neglect, well, don't be shocked when your home feels cold and disconnected. Let's stop recycling the mindset of our forefathers and our grandfathers, especially in African homes. Too many men still think authority means control. Ask yourself, do I want a loving home or a fearful one? Do I uplift my wife or just expect her to serve me? What am I modeling every day? As this seafood boils, simmering, full of flavors, spices, and richness, I want you to know your home can feel as fulfilling, but it starts with you, the man of the home. Let's build homes, not just houses. Let's raise children who sees love in actions. Let's be the men we wished we had growing up. Comment below, what kind of energy do you want to model in your home? Tag a friend and share this to a brother. And drop your thoughts in the comment section and let's talk about this. Don't just watch and scroll. Like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen talks that feeds both your belly and your heart. See you in my next recipe. Have a lovely day. Bye.